Hi there, it's Terry from Terry B Fancy Crafts. I've been asked by somebody to show how I got the image on here. It's been printed from a Magic Graphics CD and it's been printed onto tissue paper and then transferred onto, well, not transferred, literally stuck onto a canvas. So just bring you down a bit. Okay. So here I've got, which was a white canvas. Okay, put the light over this way to see if that's any better. So we've got a white canvas, which I've distressed a bit up here. And how I've distressed, I use these ink dusters, blending ink dusters from ink brushes, sorry, from Inkylicious. I can put a link down in after if you wanted to have them. And of course some Tim Holtz distress ink. Now what I find nice with these is they do blend beautifully. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but trial and error I've managed to do it. So basically you dab onto here to make sure you've got enough for what you want, or a little or whatever, and you're literally just going over. You see, obviously if you want more then you can have more. I'm going to get this all dirty on top. Sorry, don't want ink all over my nice mat. You just make it more if you want. What I did then was I took a stencil. This is where I made all these. I done it all sort of like a pinky colour, and then I got my stencil. I had black for that one, but I'm going to I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for, so I don't want to put too much stenciling on here. And I just went across like that. So there you go. Quick and easy. Okay. Right. I have to be careful with this because I'm not sure whether it's going to blur again. Hopefully it won't. I didn't want that on there. Right, the next thing is we make a carrier sheet for the tissue paper to go through the printer, and I make that using stick and spray from Crafter's Companion. Okay, an A4 piece of paper, one that will go through the printer. I've got an A5 tissue paper here. I actually got a packet and I can't remember for the life of me where from, but I believe you can iron ordinary tissue paper, which is another thing I'm going to be finding out. Now I've already stuck the stick and spray on here, and as you can see it's a little bit tacky. It's repositionable, so you can pull it up and pull it down. This one might have dried too much, but there you go. Got a bit of on there, and there it is. It will go through your printer easy. If there are any edges around that you've not got on properly, then obviously cut them, but you can, as I say, you can take it off and reposition it if you need to. Okay, it comes off easy enough, so I'll leave that one there for something I'm going to do later. Then once you've printed it, I mean obviously you put it into the printer the way your printer works. With mine I need to feed it that way. Here's one I done earlier. This again is from More Than Words CD that I've got from Magic Graphics, which is where this one came from too. There's ones with writing already on, like Time for Wine. I can't remember which one this had on, but the writing was sort of in that little oval there. And I've chosen to go without because I can use a stamp or something. Now this one's been on here since this morning, so just got to be careful you don't actually rip it. I normally take them straight off, so if it rips, then that's why. I'm not too bothered if the outside drips. And don't put too much stick and spray on, because obviously when it goes through the printer it's going to really flatten it. I also use this stick and spray for my Silhouette machine. If anybody's got a Silhouette Cameo, for the carrier sheet, because once the carrier sheet runs out of sticky, then I just spray it with the stick and spray, and it will renew the stickiness on it. There we go. Now, once that's off, all I literally did was sort of tour around it. Like that. So I sort of tore around it, and then to get it onto the canvas, which will be like that, I use some Mod Podge. Now, Mod Podge comes in two formats, glossy or matte. I'm not going to stick this on now because I don't know what I'm going to do with them, and this is only sort of to show you what to do. It's a bit gloopy, if you can see that. Can't find anything once you want it on video. Right, got a, I don't know if you can see that, it's just like, so it's a glue and a sealant. So to use it, I literally brush it on with just an ordinary paintbrush. Just I brush a bit on there first, and then I put it down and brush over it. It is clear when it dries, so if you go outside, you know, you brush too much on, there isn't a problem. And as I say, you can have the matte or the gloss. So there it is. If you actually like the pictures that's come from the CD, you can find them on my website. I'll come back to you. Look here to make sure I'm in focus. It's www.fantasycrafts.co.uk. If you're watching this on YouTube, then please subscribe to my channel, because I'm hoping to do lots of sort of little videos like this, especially if I'm asked to do them, and some hints and tips, etc. As I said, I will do a longer version of these at some stage, but this is literally supposed to be just a few minutes to show the bare basics of how to print onto tissue paper. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Bye.